What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to translate text from one language to the next in Google Translate. Now, as you can see here, I'm on my computer guys, and I'm on Google Translator. And if you don't know how to actually reach to this, you just want to head over to google.com and of course sign into your Gmail account and click the apps on the upper right hand side. This little square here, and then you want to find translate in the list. Click on that and you'll be taken over here to translate. Now, by default, you should have your default language detected here. In my case, that's English, and also I have English here and a few other languages. But in order to translate text, guys, you can go ahead and type whatever you want. In my case, I'm gonna just type something. I'm gonna type, I don't know, how are you doing? For example, how are you? And a question mark, and this is in English, right? And you can choose whatever language you want to start from. So detected language English, or I can select English, or I can select Spanish and whatever. But keep in mind that you want to write in that language, right? So if you don't have it written in the language that you want to start with, then I would recommend you do a quick swap to get the language first, and then you will copy it and then you would switch back, right? That's how you can easily do it. In this case, as you can see, I just did it there, but I'm gonna go ahead and just put it into my detected language English, and I'm gonna start again, right? How are you? Now, how do you translate from one language to the next? So here you basically can write in the language of your desired choice, or select the drop down and choose that language of your desired choice and start to write from that language. Then in the translated language, you want to select the little drop down here and select whatever language you want. So let's scroll a bit and choose something. Chinese simplified. There you have it. This is what it is in translated when you translate it into Chinese. Check. I'm gonna choose from the option above, and you can see it. So that's it. That's how you go ahead and translate text in Google Translate. You can also do this on your phone, guys. If you own an Android phone or if you own an iPhone, you can easily download the Translate by Google or Google Translate, and you'll be able to use the translator to do text translation as well. But that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple, guys.